case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case heard by the Supreme Court of the United States in 1988, a judge's oversight to step aside despite a clear connection to one of the parties in litigation has not only spurred controversy, but also raised questions touching the core of impartial judiciary law. Health Services Acquisition Corp. procured a lawsuit against John Liljeberg, Jr. in 1981, aiming to claim ownership of St. Jude Hospital in Louisiana. The trial, overseen by Judge Robert Collins, saw Liljeberg emerge victorious, a verdict upheld by the Court of Appeals despite a fervent dissent. However, the winds of justice shifted when it surfaced that Judge Collins had a pre-existing relationship with Loyola University, where he served as a member of the Board of Trustees. This association became contentious when disclosed that Liljeberg had previously engaged in negotiations with the university to purchase a landmark plot of land, a negotiation influenced significantly by the litigation's outcome. Herein lay the crux of the issue. This link between Judge Collins and Loyola University posed a potential breach in his professional impartiality. The case pivoted towards a potential violation of Title 28 U.S.C. Section 455, a law demanding a judge's disqualification in any situation where their neutrality might reasonably be doubted. The critical question being deliberated was whether Judge Collins had infringed his duty under this statute, even though he may not have been conscious of the circumstances that could cast an appearance of bias. In light of the presiding judge's clear connection to the university, the Court of Appeals moved to vacate the previous ruling, demanding the case's reassessment by a new, impartial judge. The decision was a firm testament to upholding the fundamental principle of judicial impartiality at any cost, both in fact and appearance. It further illuminated the imperatives of enforcing Section 455, ensuring unbiased justice coupled with a timely acknowledgement of disqualification grounds by judges and litigants involved. After due examination, the Supreme Court sustained the Court of Appeals' bold move to revoke the former judgment. It held that the 10-month delay triggered by Judge Collins's failure to recuse himself didn't exempt him from remedying his breach of Section 455A. Both Liljeberg and Loyola University failed to demonstrate any particular hardship due to their reliance on the initial judgment, thus validating the appeals court's decision as both judicious and sound.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.